要走的街上，走马观花。
Hi! It's a beautiful night and a perfect opportunity to reflect on what we eat. Yeah. First thing first. Hi, I'm Parafina. I'm an artist living in Japan, and this is my diary, my life, and every information I can provide and help you with. And today this video is about what we can do to help maintain healthy relationship with food when you are extremely weak when it comes to food, and especially cake and sweet. I can't, y'all. I can't. The food is unreal. So yeah, I decided that maybe instead of breaking off this toxic relationship completely, I can try and improve it. And what's best to do that and to help with that than a therapist? And in this case, it's herbs. It's tea and herbal therapy. Okay, I'm taking this way too serious. Do the video.
I received a package from my mommy, and let me show you what she got me.
Coffee. Coffee 1. Coffee number 2. It's basically nut that it's smashed together, made into an energy potion. It's the same type. It's also what we call zrir. This is what we call psisa back home. Pizza is a type of national food that we actually have been eating for like generation. I'll write the recipes down here or here about what pizza is made of. It's actually the opposite. It doesn't make you lose weight, but makes you gain weight, and it gives you protein. It's basically a protein potion, but it's 100% natural. This is dates. Maybe I never said where am I from. I'm from Tunisia. Anybody who doesn't know, Tunisia is a country in North Africa, and our dates are worldwide famous. Like, it's the golden date, the one that you pull like this in the sun and you can see the inside of it. That kind of dates. And this is our famous city, Tamarza. It's a city in the south, and it's export date worldwide, especially to Europe. And it's really, really, really good. Dates are the best thing ever. Oh, check this out. It's 100% natural, and it's fresh. Look how cool that is. You cannot see it, but here, give me a sec. Look how gold and beautiful that is. Delicious. It basically melts in your mouth. It melts. Asal. Asal. It tastes like freaking honey. Homemade. And it's not like, it's like our own creation, I would say. Whoa. So the funny thing is, in Japan they have a patisserie exactly like this. The same colors. It's funny. The same. This is also pizza. It's our own national food for energy. It may not have the best look, but it's really good. Also, sweets, cake. Look how much my mom did. She says it's like a mummy. Whoa! نحبه أنا هذا. This is delicious. It's called pitiful. Basically small cake. And it's so good. Hi, Shakira. So that's the food. But that's not all. My mom also sent me all you can imagine of natural herbs. من إيطاليا. This is interesting. So this little bag, my mom's friend brought her a souvenir from Italy back home, and she sent it from home to Japan. This one traveled from Italy back to Africa, from Africa to Japan. So this little one called star anise. It seems it's a Chinese, but we have it in Africa. It's just like you can put it in your tea. Mom says it's perfect for moderating the hormones, and it's really good for energy. This is dried roselle herb. It seems it's perfect for people with low blood pressure. She also sent me basil. It's perfect spice for food and for tea. Mom sent me pumpkin seed. I have pumpkin seed, but I told her I'm eating pumpkin seed every single day, so she sent me pumpkin seed. Hi, Chicamadus. My mom sent me pure lavender. Pure lavender. You can do anything with it. You can put it in the food, you can put it in the tea, you can even put it in your bath. Lavender. Chamomile. For tea. For tea. This is what we call back home miswek. I don't know if it has a translation. The translation in English is toothpick. That's kind of funny because miswek is the Asian toothpaste. This is everything for gum health, for your teeth health. You know, like some African will bite on some sort of stick. They'll bite on it to wash or clean their teeth with these kind of sticks. We take these sticks, we dry them, and we transform them into this. It's all of North Africa and most of the Arabic countries. Miswek. Pure flower, dried flower, like roses, dried roses for tea. The smell of these herbs is amazing. Okay, so the herbs that I have are quite numerous, thanks to my mom. I have flowers, dried flower. I've seen these flowers in Chinatown. I wanted to get them. They're a little different than the one my mom sent me, but I like these as well. So I thought, let's do some thé de rose, quoi. Tea, rose tea. Is that what they call? It's honey and ginger. It's honey and ginger. Oh, we don't want to count calorie. We don't want to like stop eating sweet and cake and ice cream and all the yummy stuff. We don't want to do that. We don't want to cut off our midnight snack. We want to have a little bit more freedom at what we eat. So, what do we do? This is what we do. This, a secret potion. We're foodie. We like food here. Yeah. So here you go. Honey and ginger. And I even have a little bit more honey. Didn't get the chance to use it, so let's add it. But I'm gonna add it to the pot, the potion pot here. Oh, that's so beautiful. Wow. Because what I do is I let it simmer. You want your potion to be good, you know that, right? so the magic work properly. I got an interesting comment I could not stop thinking of. They said, how do you look 60 and 20 at the same time? And I could not stop laughing. Because they figured me out, guys. I'm a witch. I'm a sorcerer. I'm magic. Okay, I don't. Do you guys remember where I got this from? You should. I have a video about this one. I have a video about it. You should watch it. Okay, let's go to the room. And here is the final product. My little tea shimmering properly. Honey water and dates for good health. If you're gonna eat dates, this is a little advice from big sister. You always should eat an even number of dates. It's the best. You eat 5, 3, 1, and on and on. Don't ask me why. It's our culture. We do it like that, and we take the best benefit of it. But it's up to you. You do you. Oh, this is so yummy. And these are so gorgeous. Oh. I only have these 2 left, but I'm gonna eat them. Oh my gosh, look at the color. Oh, the smell. Oh my. And this is reusable. After I finish this, I boil some more water and I put it here for the second go. Because the plant and the herb here, this can still give you benefit. Until the color is gone, I'm gonna keep using this the whole day. So you can imagine how long this can last. The few herbs that mom sent, I think they're gonna last me until summer or something. Oisha. Voila. Let it breathe, close it, and let's pretend we're in a bar. Now you know why I got me this. So I can shake. Okay. Know if I should call it work per se, because for me, if you don't get paid for it, it's not work. But technically it is work. I'm gonna do some editing, like for the YouTube. But I'm still not getting paid from YouTube, and I don't expect to be paid as sooner. But is it work? Is it just hobby? But it's